Let's break down pool deck lifting, causes and fixes. Here's what you need to know. Pool deck lifting occurs when concrete slabs rise unevenly due to soil pressure, frost heave, or water intrusion. Learn what causes it and your repair options. Quick answer. Pool deck lifting is caused by frost heave, expansive soil, or poor drainage and typically costs $1,200 to $4,500 to repair using foam injection, mudjacking, or replacement. Early diagnosis and drainage fixes prevent recurrence in 70 to 85% of cases. A lifted pool deck is more than an eyesore. It's a liability and a sign that water and soil are working against your concrete. Pool deck lifting occurs when concrete slabs rise unevenly, creating trip hazards, compromising the deck's structural integrity, and often indicating a deeper drainage or soil problem. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We specialize in diagnosing and repairing lifted pool decks for residential and commercial properties throughout NC. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide explains what causes pool deck lifting, how much repairs cost, and which solution fits your situation. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, High Point, and the Lake Norman area, Mooresville, Cornelius, Davidson. The company specializes in pool deck repair and lifting correction across residential properties throughout NC. Pool deck lifting typically costs between $1,200 and $4,500 to address, depending on slab size, soil conditions, and the chosen repair method, whether foam injection, mudjacking, or full replacement. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Proper diagnosis of the underlying cause, whether frost heave, clay expansion, or poor drainage, determines the best long-term solution and prevents the problem from recurring. Moving on to what causes pool deck lifting. Pool deck lifting results from one or more of 3 primary mechanisms: frost heave, expansive soil, or hydrostatic pressure from drainage failure. Understanding which force is at work allows you to choose a repair method that addresses the root cause rather than just the symptom. Frost heave is the most common cause in North Carolina. When water beneath the concrete freezes, it expands. Ice has roughly 9% greater volume than liquid water. In NC's freeze-thaw climate, where winter temperatures cycle above and below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, this expansion forces the slab upward. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.